Okay, good. Yeah. So what is pi r squared? Recap.
Pi r square.
What's pi r squared? What are you waiting for? Okay. You need to turn on your camera. Yeah, good. Okay. So what is pi r squared? Okay. I cannot see your screen already. Yep, good. Back to your screen. Nice. But I cannot see your PDF. This is Google Drive. Yes, good. Yep. Answer my question. What is pi r squared?
Pi r square is where
Are you referring? You're not supposed to refer. You should just say it on the spot. I'm testing you.
I'm thinking the
Oh, okay. Thinking. Okay, good. Too slow already. Okay, go to a blank page. 5 times. What are you doing? You just
blank page.
do you have a blank page? If you don't have a blank page, you just use the blank space. Oh?
Okay. Let me just.
Yeah, just no, just the side here. Yeah.
No, because I need to download in order to.
Oh, okay. Up to you. Okay, up to you. Yes, good. Yeah, pretty good. Yes. Okay, so pi r squared is equal to area of circle. Write down. Is area of circle. Wait, one sentence, one sentence. One line, one line.
One.
You better adjust, manage your space. Okay, 5 times. Go. When you write, voice out. So example, when you write, why you need to zoom in? I don't understand. You don't have to zoom in. If you zoom in, later on you don't have enough space. What are you doing? All right, go ahead. When you write, voice out. Go.
Pi r square is area of circle. Pi r square is area of circle. Pi r square is area of area of circle.
Nice. Okay, good. So with this understanding, can you go back to the question? Can you underline pi times r squared there? Yeah. So what is this?
22 over 7.
No, 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 no. I'm asking what is pi times r squared?
Pi times I square is the area of circle.
So in this case, you have pi times r squared, and then in front of it, what do you have?
Quarter.
Yeah, so a quarter times area of circle. So what do you get? Can you circle the whole thing? 1/4 times pi r squared. So what is actually the meaning of this whole thing?
The quarter
Mm-hmm.
times the area of the circle.
So what you get? No, no, no. I'm not asking for an answer. I'm asking what's the name.
Name.
Yep, there's a name for it. Quarter times area of circle. There's a name for it. I give you the name already. So you start with a full circle, and then next. Your camera is not on your face. You better show your full face. Bring it down. You are not a submarine, okay? You are not a submarine. You either sit upright or you adjust your camera. Yes, good. Okay, good. Full circle. And then next, what's that? Hello. Yes, full circle, and then? What have you learned? Full circle, and then?
And then half, and then quarter.
Yes, okay. Half circle, what is the name for half circle?
Quarter.
Huh? You only say half circle, you say quarter. What you...
Half circle. Half circle is half.
No, there's a name for it. No, 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 no. Half is mathematics.
Semicircle.
Very good. So half circle is hemicircle. Quarter circle is? What's the name? Five times. Five times. Quick. Blank space. Go to the blank space.
Yeah.
Yeah, choose any blank space 5 times, as long as you have enough space. Quarter circle, that means half times circle. Okay, quarter times circle, yes. I want to see mathematics. I don't want to see English. I'm not teaching you English. Why you move? I thought enough space already.
Because
Ah,
I accidentally
is.
moved the screen.
Yeah, please don't. Is. When you are writing, you can adjust the camera. But when you're not writing, your camera should be on your face. Okay?
Yeah.
Is quadrant. Quadrant. Yep, yep, yep. Your spelling is close. Yes. Yes. Continue. By the way, there is a R. There is a R. Quar. Let me double check the spelling for you also. Just want to make sure things are right. Quadrant. Yes. Oh, sorry. There's no R. I'm so sorry. There's no R. Yes, you're right. There's no R. Yes. I'm so sorry. Yes. Yeah. 5 times. When you write, please voice out.
Quarter times full circle is quadrant.
Yes. Yeah, 5 times.
quarter times full circle is quadrant. Quarter times full circle is quadrant.
Mm.
Quarter times full circle is quadrant.
Mm. Okay, good. So you look back at the question, first question. Okay, I will suggest, so since you use black ink for your homework, so when we do our online lesson, when you do, yeah, so please use the different colors just to differentiate it. Okay, thank you. So look at the question. So what is the question?
Find A when.
No, I'm talking about what is the question? What the question given is? Just read. What's that?
Evaluate.
Yeah. What's the right hand side? I'm asking you what's the right hand side?
A equals.
Yeah. What's the right hand side? Right hand side, not A equal.
Quarter times pi times r squared.
So what is quarter times pi r squared?
The quarter.
Huh? The quarter is the quarter.
Uh,
You want to do a few more times?
pi r squared is the area of the circle. So
Yes.
you're taking the quadrant.
Yeah. Can you repeat?
And
Wait. Quarter or quadrant? You better differentiate these two. What is in the question? Tell me.
quarter times pi r squared.
Which is? You want to do one more time?
No, pi r squared is area of so.
Then?
You're taking the quarter times the area of the circle
Then what do you get?
to find the quadrant.
Yes. You don't anyhow tell me, oh, quarter times full circle is quarter. It's not quarter, it's quadrant. Do you understand the difference between quarter and quadrant? Go down to the one that you have written just now. Can you highlight the quarter and then can you highlight the quadrant? Yes. Which one is quarter? Which one is quadrant? Can you see the difference?
Quarter is the, yeah.
Quarter is the number. Quadrant is the name.
Left. Yeah.
Quadrant is the name. Quarter is the
Quarter is the number.
quadrant is the
Name.
name. Yes. Half circle is the number. Semicircle is the
Semicircle is the name.
correct. Can you differentiate these two now?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Next. So basically, go back to your question. So basically, the first question here, 1/4 times pi r squared, which is a full circle, 1/4 full circle. So basically, this question is asking you to find what?
Find A.
Yep, A, which is in this case is a what?
Area.
Area of
Circle.
huh?
Area of the quadrant.
Very good. Why quadrant?
Because the pi r squared is the area of the circle.
Yes. Huh? Why quadrant? I asked you why quadrant.
This pi r squared is like the area of the full circle.
And
then
then?
you take the quarter.
Yes, you should explain it with the full thing. Can you explain one more time what you are finding for question 1?
Oh, we're finding the quadrant.
Why?
Because pi r square is the area of the full circle, and you're taking the quarter to times the full circle to get the quadrant.
Correct. So therefore, this question asks you for the quadrant. So in fact, if you sub in the value, can you see you sub in the value, you will get 12 and then 4/7, right? So that is the, so this value is actually the area of,
The quadrant.
very good. Why quadrant?
Because pi r square is a full circle, and then you're taking the quarter times the pi r square to get the full circle.
Yeah, so basically, why is it quadrant? Because the fraction here is 1/4. Then what if I change 1/4 to half?
Then you're trying to find the area of the semicircle.
Very good, very good. If it's half, pi r square is half circle, semicircle. Okay, next question. 下一题. Okay, next question. You are given the A, then after that, you need to find the R. Okay, good. So you input this and then you divide. Very good. R square is good. Okay, good. How do you find? So let's say, okay, can you go to 2352 there? Can you circle that one? 2352.
2352.
Yes. Can you circle the value 2352? Yeah. Please don't use this highlighter because this highlighter is too light. I can't see. Use some bright color if you want to highlight, like super. Yeah. So basically, the answer right now is R square equals to 2352. Can you write down the R square? I think you missed the R square on the left. Yes, R square. Yes. So basically, you end up with R square equal to 2352. The question is asking for, look at the question, what the question is asking for.
Find R.
R, but now you have R, right? I mean, you are asked to find R, but now your answer is R square. So what you need to do? What's the meaning of R square, by the way?
R times R.
Good, write it down. Write it down. Below R square, write it down. Below R square. Okay, you can repeat it. Okay, up to you. You can repeat it. But in fact, you should do it. Wait. You should write it below the R square because you start it here. You don't want to like write it other. You understand my point or not? Your flow chart vertically. You don't want to do it, oh, sometimes left, sometimes right, sometimes up, sometimes down. Okay, so R squared you can replace by R times R. So R times R is equal to, what's the value? So R times R is equal to what?
R times R is equal to 2R.
Huh?
Um,
R squared is equal to?
2352.
So below R squared is equal to?
R times R.
So R times R is also equal to?
2352 times
Yes.
2352.
Huh? Wait. R squared equals to what? You circle the R squared equals to R times R first. Okay, so basically above is, can you see the R square above?
Yeah.
Can you use a different color? Circle the R square above. Yes. So basically R square is equal to?
2352.
Yeah, I'm not talking about the value. R square is equal to?
R times R.
Okay, so basically now you can cross out the R square, replace it by? Can you cross out the R square now? And you can replace r squared by cross out the r squared. Huh? Wait. Your r squared, which one is already circled? You cross out which one? Yes. So you cross out your r squared, you replace your r squared with
R times R.
yes, write it down. Because r squared is r times r, that's why you can actually cross out r squared. So basically now the equation becomes, so what you end up with? R times r and then?
Equals
2,
3, 5, 2.
Yes, write this equation on the left. Why you keep repeating? Wait. What did I ask you to do? I already asked you to cross the r squared. Why you show me r squared? You already replaced the r squared with what? I don't want to see r squared already because you already crossed out the r squared. So r times r is equal to what? Write it down on the left. So how do you do this question? What times what? The same thing is equal to 2352. Can you go to the calculator?
Yeah.
This is called square root. You need to square root 2352. What do you get? Do you know what is square root?
I do.
Show me which button using your camera, right? Show me. No, it's good enough. Yes, just raise your calculator and show it in front of the camera. 你觉得我看得到吗？ Yes, let me see. Yeah, square root 2. Yeah, square root 2352. That's how you find r times r. So what do you get? Let me also calculate on my side. Double check for you. What is square root 2352? Are you done? Wait, I just asked you to use your calculator, square root 2352. What are you doing? Or you don't know or what? You know or you don't know? You don't act you know if you don't know. How do you punch the calculator to get R? Shermaine, your camera should be on your full face. That's number one thing I need you to do. You either sit upright or you full face. If not, I will just cut the lesson. I don't want to see a submarine from now on. You better show your full face or you sit upright. I give you two choices. If not, I just cut the lesson. You go and sleep. I also want to go and sleep. Don't waste my time and your time. I show you my full face all the time. You better show me your full face all the time. If not, if you are the submarine, you go and sleep. Do you understand? One more time, you are a submarine, you go and sleep. There's no need for us to have a lesson. Okay, how do you get R? You know or you don't know? Don't waste my time. Don't move here and there. Use your calculator. If you don't know, just say you don't know. Shermaine.
So you mean just like uh
Just press the button square root and then key in the value 2352. You should press equal sign. You get the value.
I got it.
What's the answer?
5531904.
Wrong. Wrong. Okay, your submarine is getting very close to be a submarine already. Can you see yourself? Can you see yourself? You can minimize. Okay, let me hold on. Let me do a screenshot. You don't even know which one is the square root. That's your big problem. Okay, let me share my screen. Can you, yeah. Can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay, so by the way, there is a button on your calculator, is this. So whenever you get R times R equals to 2352, so whenever you have something times itself, you always use the square root. Can you search for this button on your calculator? You find it already?
Yeah.
Okay, then you key in 2352 inside. Then you press the equal sign. And then you tell me the answer.
Do you want it rounded up?
No, you just tell me the whole number.
48.457.
Correct. Whole number.
48.
Good. Okay. So if, let's say I give you another question. Let's say I say R times R is equal to 4. How do you do this question? Using your calculator. So R is equal to?
2.
Very good. One more time. R times R is equal to 225. So R is equal to?
15.
Very good. Okay. Remember this is something you learned today. Okay. Next question. Share your screen. Make sure you don't be a submarine. Make sure you don't be a submarine. Yes. Okay, good. Okay, what do you see? Last question. Hello?
Find R.
Last question. Yes, find R. But what do you have?
R square.
Equal to?
784.
So how do you do R now?
You must
I
get
think
rid of the R square.
Yep. So, I cannot see your face. Now you are not a submarine. Now you are hiding already. Now it's back. Yes. Okay. How do you get R? Show me. Write it down.
The R square.
Write it down. Write it down on the left. Yes. Because no space below already. Continue quick. 快点 Then how?
So the R is 28.
Okay. Hey, can you double check for me? 308 divided by 11 over 4.
308.
Divided by 11 over 4.
112.
Then how come here? You look at your answer here. 308 divided by 11 over 4. How come it suddenly become 392 times 2? You circle your 308 divided by 11 over 4. And then you continue to circle your 392 times 2. I don't know where you get 392 times 2 from. You stop moving your screen. Where do you get your 392 times 2 from? You don't move your body. If you think you are wrong, you quickly just edit. Correct. What are you waiting for? 你在等什么? Which one is wrong? Just correct it on the spot. Fast. 等一下 392 times 2 is 112. I'm asking you, where do you get the 392 times 2 from? Where do you get the 112 times 2 from? Where do you get the times 2 from? Shermaine. 308 divided by 1104. What is the answer? When I ask you correct, you don't correct on your this, you just do it another time.
308 divided by 11/4 is 112.
Yes, that's it. Where do you get the times 2? Where? Who asked you to put the times 2 there? Who? You circle your 308 divided by the 11/4 first. And then what is the answer for that?
11/2. I mean 112.
You circle 112. Who give you the times 2 now?
So what was the others work one?
Others work. So that means, what do you mean by others work?
The previous.
So basically, if previous work, so what are you trying to say? You will take the previous work. Previous work is wrong, and you still want to keep it. That's what you're telling me. You correct half. You know that the previous is what is already wrong, and you don't go and erase it all everything to again. You already know the previous work is wrong, and you just erase half of it. What are you doing? When you realize that your previous work is wrong, you erase all of them and redo everything one more time, afresh. Who asked you? Who gave you the 319 times 2 in the previous work?
No one.
Are you sleeping?
No.
If you're not sleeping, who gives you the 31? I never see a 319 in this question at all. I never see that question at all. Who gives you the square? I asked you 308 divided by 11/14. What is the answer?
112.
Then who give you the square?
I'm going to find the.
You want to find out, you better, is there enough space? You better follow what you did above. Okay, you can actually refer to above for quick reference. Not blindly do it. Add the square anywhere, or repeat the previous mistake again. Doing all the rubbish. You look above. Who teach you to times 2? You look above. Who teach you to times 2?
The times 2 is right there.
Who? 你自己看。Above. Teach you times 2.
Yeah.
That's the question I want to ask.
6 times 2.
Yes. Can I ask you, who asked you to 1176 times 2? Very good. Who asked you to times 2? You continue?
You're supposed to find out the R square before finding out the R times R.
You are speaking nonsense. Can you see my screen? Nonsense. Let me just take here. Let me just take here. R square is equal to 3696 divided by 22 over 7. So far, so good. So far, so good. What's the answer for this right-hand side?
1176.
1176. What is the left-hand side?
R square.
Anything else?
No.
Who gives you times 2? Who give you times 2? Say. Answer my question. Who? Don't waste time. Who asked you to times 2?
What's the R square, man?
What R square? Left-hand side R square. Left-hand side R square. This one divided by this one, I get 1176. That's all. Where's the R square? Let me give you another example. 2 times 6, 2 times 3 is?
6.
4 times x.
4x.
Do I need to add anything? Do I need to add a times 2?
No.
Do I need to plus 2?
No.
Why not?
There's no plus 2 there.
This one, the answer is 6. This one, the answer is 4x. Equal sign, put down. That's all. That's all. This is called I do it vertically. Okay? Make use of this example. Above. R square is? R square is? R square is what?
R square is R
R square is R square. Done deal. This one divide, you get
1176.
yes 1176. That's all, or you need to do anything else?
That's all.
Do you need to do anything else?
No.
Then why I see a times 2 here? Why? Where's the more? To stop moving around. Where's the more? Answer my question. Where's the more? Why? Do you need to times 2?
No.
Do you need to plus 2?
No.
Okay, good. So if you find that, okay, right now, R squared is equal to 1176. What are you going to do next?
Find R.
Yes, how?
The square root thing.
Yep, how? You don't say square root thing. Give me the full solution. So R is equal to
1176.
1176 and then
The square root.
square root. So what's the answer?
34.29.
34.29. Okay, good. Stop. R is equal to 34.29. Similarly, go to this question. Here. R squared is 112. What are you going to do next? R is equal to
112. Then the square root.
okay, 112 square root. What are you waiting for?
10.5830.
我不要这么多。
To 11 round up. To
Yep.
Whole number.
What's that?
Then 11.
Why? Why 11?
First whole number.
What's the
And
what?
5.
10 points 什么?
10.58.
Okay, good. Yeah, round up. Yeah, very good. Round up 11. Do you need to times 2? Do you need to add 2?
No.
Okay, good. Okay, share your screen. 下一题. Okay, over here. Slowly. Okay, write the next 3 terms. I asked you to write the next 3 terms. How can you write so many terms?
Yeah, the next 3 is 33, 39, 45.
Can you circle the next 3? Okay, they asked for the 9th term. How do you get 57? Okay.
On top.
Okay, you can do it this way. What if I don't want you to do it this way? Can I ask for the 100th term? Right? Write down 100. Hello, can you write down 100? And by the way, you need to show your camera. Yes. Yeah, show your camera. I can't see your face. I don't know why every time I ask you to share it. Then you don't need to close what? How come you close?
I didn't close.
Or auto? Okay. So how do you find 100th term? To find the 100th term, what you need to do?
The 9. You take the first term.
Okay, go ahead. Do what you need to do. minus 9 minus. What's the formula? You write down the formula before you continue. You write down the formula first. On the left. Left blank space, yes. You better use my formula. I don't know where you learn your formula from. Okay. If you forget, you are going to get it from me. By the way, just now the student, she also forget the formula. Okay. You don't want to be her, okay? You want to be the student who remember the formula. Mm, 很好. Okay. Yeah. Use this formula. Continue. Can you move your screen a bit up so that you have enough space? Hold on, let me answer a call, quick one. Yep, you continue first. Yep, you continue. Don't worry, you continue. Okay, hold on. Let me connect my earpiece.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, good. Yeah, so that's the way.
Yeah.
Hold on. Give it just 1 minute.
Okay.
Okay, good. Next question. Hey, you are sharing your screen, but you need to move away your this. Yeah, thanks. No, slowly. Yes, write down the algebraic expression for add the product. Okay, good. So first thing, you have the product of 15V. Very good. And then to the product of this. Yes. So you need to open the bracket first. 56, then plus 28. Okay, good. Once you add up. Okay, first question. Very good. Next, C. Subtract the product. Yep, move up. Yes, thanks. Product of yes, product. So you get 10. Okay, good. Then you minus. Okay, can I ask you for this question? When you open the bracket, do you need to use the first arrow and second arrow?
Yes.
The reason is yes or no. Yes. When you use first arrow, when you use second arrow.
The times that one.
Then in this case is
Plus minus.
So do you need to first arrow, second arrow?
No.
Yep, good. So that's why you don't need. Hold on.
Okay.
Okay, good. Next, multiply the product of 5 and E to the sum of 2E and this 4E. Very good. You multiply, go in, go in. Okay, good. Can you circle the 5E times 2E?
5E times 2E.
Yep. Can you move up a little bit so that we have more space? Yeah. Just move up because we don't need the 17 mn already. Just move up. Yeah. Yeah. Circle the 5E times 2E.
The one inside the bracket or?
Yeah, inside. Yeah. Yep, the arrow, first arrow, second arrow is very good. So ask yourself, 5 times 2 is 10. Yeah, right? But E times E, what do you get? 5 times 2 is 10, right? Yeah.
E2.
Yes. Oh, no, it's not called E2. What is it?
The E square.
Yes. Why E square? Why just now you write E? Why it must be E square?
Because 2E's ma.
Huh? 2E? You know what is 2E and
you times
because
the 5E times the 2E.
Yeah.
And then E times E.
Correct. It's E times E, not 2E. 2E. Okay, can you write down 2E is equal to? 2E is equal to what?
2 times E.
Yep, write down. Okay, E square is equal to?
E square is E times E.
Yeah. Can you see the difference?
Yeah.
Okay, so that just now when you say you have 2E, that's why I don't agree with you. You need to be very, very careful when you talk about this multiplication. Okay, then of course you can circle the 5E times 4E.
5E times 4E.
Yep, circle that.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, then you can see below your answer. Yeah, so you see, so you have 10E squared plus 20E squared, so you should get
30 E square.
30E squared. Then what are you waiting for? Okay, so you please be very, very careful about this mistake because I think you keep making this mistake. Okay?
Okay.
You better stop from today onwards. Okay? 下一题. Okay, good. 下一题. Just up all the way. We don't need the D already. Yes, good. Stop. Thanks. So basically, you have the 48n divided by 6. Very good. Divided by 6. This is divided by 6. This is 8n, and then this is 20m. Very good. 继续 F. Go to F. Very good. So add the product of this to the sum of this, product of this to this. Do you think you need to have, yeah, good, plus, 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 very good. Then 14. Okay, your B, you need to write it better because 16B, you write it at like 166.
Oh, okay.
This is a very, very common mistake.
Okay.
Okay, good. Next, 继续. Okay, good. Here's some round off the following into two decimal places. Okay, which one is two decimal? Oh, okay, good. You basically, okay, 可以.
I got
So,
write down.
yep, thanks. Very clear. Yep, good. I like it. I like it. Okay, good. The first part, give yourself a tick. Second one, yep, second one also. No, I mean first one, that means the first pair. The first pair, give yourself a big tick. Yep, the second one, big tick again. Yep, tick for the third one, third pair. Then yeah, continue. Yep. 下面 okay, by the way, 12.3 you better split the dot, the point better. Otherwise, your point is you already like very, very unclear. It looks like a 1, 2, 3 for me.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, 所以下一个 okay, good. And then okay, good. 继续 okay, 等一下 I think something is not right. Last question. This is three significant figure, right? You look at the 0.04597. You look at 0.04597. Three significant figure. You count. Go up one more time. Up one more level. Scroll up one more level. No. Up. No. You are lowering. I want it up. Go up. Go up. One more. Go up. I just want the last part. Go up. Yes. Good. You do the 0.04597. Tell me three significant figure. Where you start from?
4,
Then count.
5,
I ask you to
9.
count. I ask you to count, but you are never writing. You are not writing down anything. You don't write down anything. How you count?
1 second, third.
Yep.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. Okay. Good.
Yeah.
Okay. So you spot your mistake.
Yeah.
Yeah. So please be careful about this. Okay. Next. Oh, by the way, the nth term, right? For this one, you need to simplify. Is this the simplest form? You have a lot of bracket which you never open up, right? Can you see?
Yeah.
Can you continue to simplify this? Continue. Continue to open the bracket and solve this.
Four and minus 5.
Okay, good. Hold on. You show me the wait. Do you do the arrow first or you do the plus first?
I did the plus first.
No, I ask you, what do you need to do first? You circle the plus and the times. You circle. Which one you need to do first? No, below lah. Yes.
The times.
Yes. Then, what are you waiting for? Wow, very good. Singing. Okay, yeah. So that's so remember next time whenever you do this, you need to simplify. All right.
Okay.
Which one you do first, plus or addition?
Times.
Times. And by the way, a lot of students, they make this mistake like you. They do the times first because they do the plus first because plus start first. Then they assume they should do the left to right. In fact, right, you shouldn't do left to right. You always do the bracket first, then the times, then the plus. Okay, move up. Okay, then you better check whether you check one more time for your this answer 30. You use your calculator.
Okay.
Double check.哈？你在做什么？
It's wrong.
啊？你在做什么？ I ask you, okay, so your above one is 2 plus bracket plus 2 times bracket 15 minus 1, right? Then what you need to do next is you need to redo the whole thing. You need to redo the whole thing. You need to redo the whole thing. Okay, so your answer is 29. I'm okay with that, but you need to redo the whole thing. Show me you redo the whole thing. Not using the above. You're not supposed to use the above. Yes, you redo the whole thing. Correct. 对了，对。by the way, your above, 来上面那题 you see your second arrow? What's your second arrow? What's your second arrow? Read it out.
Minus 2 plus 1.
什么？
2 plus 1.
second arrow. You go and highlight your second arrow. You go and highlight your second arrow. Use a red. Use a red pen. Yeah. Yeah. Second arrow. Yeah. So what? Can you read it out?
2 plus 1.
2 plus 1. That's how you read.
Negative.
No, how you read. How you read the second arrow.
2 times 1. Yeah.
2 times 1. You better read again. It's important you read it correctly.
Negative 2 times 1.
Negative 2 times 1. Where is the negative 2?
The minus.
I asked you to read. Just read. You just read the second arrow.
2.
Okay.
Times.
Okay.
The 1.
Just 1 or negative 1?
1.
Why 1? Then I ask you where the negative is supposed to be. Okay, first thing, 2 times 1. What is 2 times 1?
2.
Then you circle your 3. Where do you get your 3 from? So the first arrow you get 2n. The second arrow you are supposed to get 2. Then in between there is a minus sign. Yep, continue. Yep, correct. Then with this, we do the below question. By the way, you are not supposed to do it like this. You are supposed to do the black one. You are not supposed to use this.
Yeah, the answer is correct.
Yeah, I don't care about the answer. You better do it again. I want to see the steps. Answer is not my key. OK, good. 来下一题。Find the next three terms. 继续。You better show me the step. Okay. Basically, I guess you are using the calculator. Okay. I don't want you to use calculator. I really want you to know how you can do it by yourself. Did you change your setting? Because how come your camera looks different now?
I did not.
Oh, okay, never mind. That continue. It's okay. It's okay. Good. Good enough. Yeah. Good. Good enough. Yeah.
Okay.
You sure it's 16 or not? You don't anyhow do it. I find that you blind already. You just copy only. You go and look at your this 16 before that. 2 times 1. What is the answer? You blind already. I think you. One more step. No. You do. I thought you should do 2 plus 16 first. Then you do minus 2, right? Why you straight away write 16? That means you're copying what? You better
No,
redo.
using the calculator.
What did I say? What did I say just now?
Because 2 plus 16 is 18. Then minus
No,
2
wait.
is 16.
Did I ask you to use calculator? I asked you to, because your work is already done by calculator. So from now, your this green part, I asked you to do it by yourself, right? By the way, the video is recorded. I did not accuse you. I asked you to do it by yourself using green color. And then now you continue to use calculator. What's the point? You don't try to be funny in front of me, okay? I warn you. I ask you to do it step by step, you show it step by step. You don't do funny things. You better redo the previous 2. I don't trust you already. You just somehow anyhow do. You better erase and redo the first and the second. I don't trust you already. Can you erase your second question so that you have space? Okay, good. 下一题。Oh, so you don't know what is this? Can you see the pattern? 你乱来。What's the pattern here? Can you count? Can you count the first one?
1.
Yep. Then the next one. Can you write down one? Can you write down one below? Then, yeah, you can see the pattern. So what's the difference? I mean, you write down the difference, 1 to 3, then the difference 3 to 6. Then I think you will see the pattern. So what do you think the next number is?
+4.
Okay. Write it down. Can you write down the number besides +4, besides +5? How come now you realize? Did you copy from somewhere or what?
No.
Then okay, what you realize? How come suddenly you realize? Hello, I'm asking you. Am I talking to myself? Okay, so this question, right? So in fact, it's a step up. Okay, okay, you need to make it smaller. I need to see the whole thing. Okay, it's a step up. The first one is 1. Then the second one, can you write down the first one is 1? And then can you write down 1, 2? That means beside the square, beside the first one, you write 1. Beside the first square, you write 1. Yeah. So beside the second figure, you write 1 and 2. The first level is 1. Yeah. The second level is 2, right? I ask you to write the 2 below, not 1 and 2. The first level is 1. The second level is 2. Yes. Then can you continue? Yes. Then continue. Continue. Okay, good. Yep. Go down. Yep. Next question. Yeah. Okay. 7 is how do you get 49? You never show me leh. I cannot accept it. But I think now you can show me already with the working. You better show me in working.
Okay.
Instead of square, you can use dot if it speeds up your this work. Because every square you can put it as a dot. I leave it to you. I leave it to you. Actually, can you draw the 7 figure out or not? Once you draw the 7 figure out, you just count. That's also one way. Use dot, yes. Manage your space, manage your space. Okay, yep. So that's the way. Go below. 下一题. Okay, good. So you have 3, then you have 5, then you have 4. Okay, so you have 15 days. Do you add up to 15? Yes. So how many days was she given more than 12? More than 12是多少？啊 ？More than 12是 2 而已。That means over here, more than 12 is 2 days only.
Eh?
You want to
Three,
you want to
three,
circle or not? No, no, no. You circle. You circle more than 12. More than 12. Wait. Below. Make it smaller. Make it smaller. You don't need it so big. You make smaller. Read the question.
How many days was she given more than 12?
What is more than 12?
More than $12.
Yeah, more than $12. Can you circle more than $12? Wait. Are you supposed to use the table or you're supposed to use the data? Are you supposed to use the table? Are you supposed to use the table or not? Answer my question first.
No.
Then 你跟我 circle 你的 table for what? What's the answer?
9.
Okay, good. Next. 下一题. What's the average allowance? So 怎么做 average?
Average allowance equals to total allowance. Number of.
Okay, looks good. Okay, 可以. What's the average allowance if the allowance 等一下 15. How do you do this question?
You must add the 15 inside the 190.
Okay, and then
Then you must add like one more day cause 16 days.
Correct. Very good. Okay, 下一题. Find the percentage of days you given more than average. So more than average, what's the average?
12.4.
So you're telling me only 2 days more than 12.4?
9.
Huh? Wait, 你
Nine.
不要乱来哦，you better count again. You better count again. It's more than 12.4. You better count again. I don't know why you get 2.
9.
9, okay, continue. Correction.
Okay.
More than 13. How many days? 1 day. 一天. Okay, Lord, since you make mistakes here, okay, I'm going to give you a lot of questions on this. You deserve it. You can count the table, right? You use the table just now, right? Okay. Yeah, you deserve more homework. 如果你下一次你再跟我乱做的话啊 what I'm going to do is I'm going to ask you to copy the question. I'm not going to give you the benefit of using your Chromebook. 好 You want to have more homework, you want to copy the question, I will make your life difficult. You anyhow do 啦哈，你继续乱做，继续，你继续乱做咯，你继续乱做 then you will get it from me. 你在等什么 Are you doing correction for F or not?
I'm looking at the question.
Oh, okay. So if you anyhow do question, I ask you to copy question. I don't accept this Chromebook already. I don't want to make life easier for you. I want to make life super hard for you. You anyhow do ma? Done?
Yeah.
Very good. 下一题. I want to see the working. Show me what do you get after opening the bracket first. I don't know where's the answer for that.
40.
No, I asked for opening the bracket means first arrow, second arrow. What do you get after that first? I want to see step by step.
It's on top.
Wait. You don't understand me. You better write down. It's very unclear. I cannot tell. I want to see what is. Yes. You're right. Okay. Yep. 继续. Okay. Answer my question. Minus 5 times 5. You give me minus 10. Next time, if you make this kind of mistake, right? Minus 5 times 5, that means you first thing, you refuse, you can use the calculator, and you refuse to use the calculator, and you make mistakes like this. One more time, you are going to copy the question. I don't allow you to use Chromebook. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
What did I say?
You said if I do the question wrong.
Wait. I did not say you do the question wrong. You can be wrong, but I did not say the question is wrong. I did not use this phrase. What did I say?
If I calculate wrong,
Did I say you calculate wrong? You stop doing, can you? What did I say?
if like the calculation is wrong and I have a calculator, next time use paper and pen.
Okay. Can you repeat one more time?
If the question is wrong, I mean like if the calculation is wrong, and I have like a calculator or something, then next time use like pen and paper.
Yeah, good. Just pen and pencil, pen and paper. Yeah. You don't deserve to use the Chromebook. You deserve to copy. Okay. So you test me, I test you. Okay. Continue. What are you waiting for? 你在等什么？ What's happening now?
I dropped the pen.
Oh, okay. Okay, first thing first, are you comfortable in this room?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, good. You should have a desk, you should have a chair, and then of course, you need to feel comfortable.
Yeah, I just need to take the
Okay.
pen that dropped.
Mm.
I think.
Mm. Mm. 继续，下一题。Okay. We take a break. Come back 5 minutes, quick one.
Okay.
Mm. Okay, welcome back. Hey, Shermaine, the video is recorded lah, so don't watch whatever you want to watch because this video is recorded. You don't want this stuff to be recorded as well, right? You need to unmute. Oh, the video is recorded lah, so you don't want to show, right?
I was just reading.
Okay lah, if you are fine, I'm fine. But anyway, it's okay. Okay, good. 继续. Go to the last question. We start from the last. Second half. The last one, not this one. Okay, good. 就是这题. Sorry. Very sorry. Yes, 就是这题. Yes. So why you never show me? This is not the way I ask you to do percentage and discount or service charge. This is not the way I ask you to do the question. You better show me how to do this question using my way or your way. Oh, no, not your way, my way. What's SC or service charge? Okay, now I understand. Wait. Who say 110 is the original price? What is OG?
Original.
No. Who say the original is 110 just now?
Oh.
能继续 Who say the final is 90?
100 minus 10.
Service charge, you minus.
Add.
Just now you very confident, 100 minus 10, very confident, I don't want to see a submarine. You better okay. What are you waiting for? 你在等什么？ Okay. Then show, okay, circle the black one. Who teach you the black one? Circle the black one. Who teach you the black one? Who teach you this one?
Because I use this in school.
You're very stubborn, no? Shermaine, you're very stubborn, no? 是吧? What did we agree when it comes to doing this kind of question. What did we agree last time?
Your method?
Then just now you answer me what? Just now you answer what? About your the black color working.
I use this in school.
So does it sound contradictory to you? I ask you to go right, and then you tell me, oh, I go left because I go left in school. I ask you to go right, then you say, oh, I go left because usually I go left in my school. That's why I go left. That's why you get wrong. That's why you cannot score, because you do it your way. Your way is the wrong way when it comes to mathematics most of the time. What did I say? What did I say?
My way is wrong.
Huh? I said more than this. I said much more than this. What did I say?
My way is the wrong way when it comes to mathematics.
Loud and clear.
My way is the wrong way when it comes to math.
Okay. Next question. Okay, what's the number of children who chose apple? 等一下. Which one is apple? Which one is orange? Which one is which? How do you decide? You teach me how do you
The
decide?
largest is the tallest one.
Okay, that's a smart way. Okay, 很好. So what is the number of children who chose apple? 八个. 很好. Next question. Yes. 八个. Yes. 继续. Next. That's a smart way. Then what's the number of children who chose orange? 来，让我看一下 20是不是正确的？六页 between 16 and 24, 20. How do you get 20 actually? I never see a working. Guesstimate, is it?
4, 8.
什么叫 48?
Over here is 4.
Yes. Okay, then.
12.
Yes.
20.
Okay. Okay, good. 下一题. Okay, good. Mango is 16. 来，继续. Total. How do you find total? You never show all the working. Total also don't want to show working. Do you know that if you don't show working, right? If you need to show working, you get penalized. If you are so lazy, one more time, I will ask you to copy all questions. You will get it from us. I simplify your workload and you still want to act lazy. Hey, by the way, your school now is home-based learning or still face-to-face?
Face-to-face.
Then next week?
Face-to-face.
Wow, so okay, never mind. Okay, next question. 我看一下啊。Okay, good. Okay. Hold on. Okay, let me read. Okay, zoom in a bit more. The focus on the right hand side, which is your yes. Sorry, Okay, everything is good. Like up. I want to see the pie chart. Okay, make it smaller. Yes. Can you show me the math is 155? I don't think that one is 155 there. Math. You think that one is 155? No, you just go up. Yes. Don't keep moving. You think this 155? I think this one is definitely less than 155. You know why? You know why I can tell? No, you now you can use a projector. Now you just a quick one. Just a quick one. Check the 155. Is it 125? Or what is the value?
I need to measure it
Yeah, measure, please. Yeah.
properly.
You are supposed to measure, by the way. But don't keep moving while you are measuring. No need to be 100%, but close enough.
$155?
哦，真的是 155 啊 Okay, never mind. You zoom in. I mean, zoom out. I want to see the entire thing. Hold on. Yep, stop. I want to see the entire thing. Hold on. Okay, let me share. Can you stop sharing first? 很好，谢谢。Can you see my screen? Can you see the chart?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So just now I say this doesn't look 155 to me because okay, of course I know it's very hard to tell but 180 is like this, right? So can you add these two up, 155 and 25? Can you add it up? What do you get?
180.
Yeah. So can you ask me, do you think this one look like 180 now? You stick out your tongue just now. Do you think this is? No, it's clearly it's not. Clearly it's not. Okay. Let me open this. Hold on. Let me open PowerPoint. Clearly it's not. It's not 100%. Let me get it to this PowerPoint. Can you see the PowerPoint?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Hold on. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So actually, if I have a 155, I have a 25, you know what I will do? First thing I will do is I will draw a straight line first. So what I will do, I will draw a straight line. That's my first step. Because all these are very easy, 180 is very easy to draw. So that's my first step. I always draw the easy one first. Hold on, it's a bit off. Okay, good. Can you see? This is 180.
Yeah.
Can you see or not?
Yeah.
So basically, right, if you want to draw a good one, so first draw the math and the Chinese first because they add up to 180. Okay, so just make sure that you get 155. So let's say this is 185. Hold on. 155. Okay, so let's say this is 155. And we give another color. Yeah. Actually I cannot I don't have a projector with me, but somehow, so let's say you just take this as 155, and then of course this will 25, right? Okay. Then after that, what you do next is you have the 30, and of course you have a 60. Of course, you need to measure and get these two. All right. 可以吗?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's the way. All right. Next. So this question is wrong. I mean, the drawing of the pie chart is wrong. Okay, can you share your screen? Yeah, I will stop sharing. Yeah, share your screen, please. Next question. 这题 So biggest increase. 等一下 The biggest increase is 1 to 3 啊？ I thought it's 4 to 5, right? Week 4 to week 5, right? 不是吗？
Yeah.
1 to week not 4 to 5, it's week 4 to week 5. You don't be so lazy. Why week 4? Why week 4 to week 5? Why?
Because the difference is higher.
What's the difference in this case?
Then
What was your answer? What was the difference? Your answer for your answer?
3.
Oh, okay. Okay. Good. 下一题. What is the percentage increase from 2 to 3? Okay. So 2 to 3. Take the final minus initial divide by. Wait. You write down the formula first. I want you to write down the formula first before you do anything. Final minus initial divided by final. Okay, very good. Copy 10 times. Find a blank space. You want to refer to your formula before I tell you the formula? Oh, by the way, you need to show your camera. How come every time the camera is always off? Is it you set the auto? Never mind, just open, just unclick. Yes, now it's good. You want to refer to the formula before you continue? You see, you are just like the student just now. Refuse to memorize formulas. And when you refuse to memorize formulas, then you are wrong. What did I say?
If don't remember formula,
Yeah.
so will be wrong.
Why?
Because the formula is important.
Yep, good. 14. When you write voice out, you better manage your space. Huh? I thought divide by initial. Where is the word divide by or over? You better voice out everything when you write. Okay, go ahead.
Final minus initial divide by initial. Final minus initial over initial. Final minus initial over initial. Final minus initial over initial. Minus initial over initial. Final minus initial over initial final. Okay.
Okay. Redo all the questions there. Because you might have made mistakes. Okay, by the way, what is the mistake here?
I divide by the final.
So what is wrong?
The 13.
Yeah. Huh? They ask you for percentage, you give a fraction. Can you circle the percentage increase? Can you circle the question percentage? You give a fraction. No. You need to show me the full working. I don't like this way. Like, oh, I just use my calculator and then boom, I got 8.3%. I don't like this way. I want to see the full working before you get the percentage, before you can get the final answer. Hello? Do you understand me? Huh? Actually, your working is correct, but just that you need to give me more details. Instead of just 8.3%, you need to write more. Huh? What are you doing? You can't, you just copy blindly. I asked you to write down the formula first, then do the question.
The formula is here.
Where's the formula? Where is the formula? Then if the formula is changed, how come you never change the value accordingly? You just copy blindly from your this incorrect answer. People ask you for percentage, you give in fraction. Next time when you send me your assignment, make sure I reply you. If I don't reply you, that means I don't receive it. Or let's say if you send me midweek, you make sure I reply you with a message. Okay? If I never reply you, you better message me, ask me to look at it. Okay? I'm okay if you tell me to look at your work. Then you don't end up with all this rubbish. Formula is wrong. Calculation with calculator is also wrong. People ask for percentage, you give fraction. All this kind of rubbish. You better behave, I tell you. You 还在等什么 ？1 over 12 times 100%. Use the calculator, quickly get the fraction, then quickly get the answer. Where is your percentage? Then what's the answer? Yep. Are you supposed to write in decimal number or you are supposed to give the exact one?
Round up to 1 decimal.
Who asked you to round up? Who? What are you supposed to do?
Because my teacher say,
Who asked you?
round up.
You look at the entire question. Who asked you to round up or round down? Who asked you to round? Are you supposed to round? Don't waste my time. Are you supposed to round? Are you supposed to round?
Yeah, but if you don't round up,
Yes.
you have to write out the whole entire thing.
Which is?
8.3333.
No. You're not supposed to do it this way. I told you how you're supposed to do this question. If you get such question, what you need to do, I told you what to do. I told you before. What you're supposed to do. You cannot round. So what you're supposed to do? You also don't want to write it all out. So what you're supposed to do? You put it in what format? You have a calculator with you. What format you are supposed to show me? What format?
Fraction.
Yes. Do it. Next. You go and circle the question whether they ask for percentage or they ask for fraction. Or you go and circle the question whether they ask for decimal number, round off or round up. You better do that first.
They didn't say fraction though.
They say what? They say what?
They say just find the percentage increase.
So you better show in. You better show in.
Percentage.
Okay, good. Okay. Or times 10%.快点 use your calculator. Quick one. Okay, can you circle this question? I mean, can you circle this answer and circle the minus 36 above? Yeah, and circle the minus 36. 4/11. The black color one. Minus 36 4. Yeah, what's the difference between these two? Besides the value is different. What's the difference between these two?
One has negative sign.
Huh? Both have negative sign, right? Hold on.
No, I just added that negative sign.
Do you need a negative sign there?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So what's the difference? Zoom
One
out.
has percentage sign.
Yep.
One
Then?
doesn't.
Okay, so what is the negative 36 4/11? It's a fraction decimal. Yep, it's a fraction. Then what about the negative 26 2/whatever? Yeah.
It's a percentage.
Yep, but this is called a fraction percentage. Okay? That's the difference. One is fraction, one is fraction percentage. Okay, 继续 next 下一题. I want to read the average first. How do you do average? Total, then okay, good. Okay, 继续下一题. Wow. How come the middle one is? Wait, 继续上去上去上去。You go and look at your drawing. Okay. The second one is so super skinny. 为什么？The first one also very skinny. The rest is okay. How come the first and the second column is so skinny? And then how come you start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4? Can you start 2, 4? Can you start 5, 10, 11? I mean 5, 10, 15?
Yeah, but
Then why you never do that? Or you think this is better?
No,
Okay, now what is the arrow? The horizontal arrow. You never label the horizontal arrow. Yep. So what is the label? Okay, good. Next. Okay, this one is okay. Next, 下一题。哎，stop. Okay, good，对，很好。来，下一题，对。Thanks. This question is correct，就是这样子。So you have how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, correct. So okay, zoom in. I need to see clearly. So 1 out of how many?
12.
有 12啊。等一下啊。Okay, good. 1 out of 12。对。What is the area of the figure that shaded? Shaded 是多少？How do you find the area? What is B?
Base times height, base times height, base times height.
Then you base times base.
I read wrong.
Wait, what's the height then?
Height is 3.
Who say the height is 3? Who say the height is 3? Okay, can you draw the height on this diagram? Can you draw the height on this diagram? For the shaded one. Yep, you need to zoom in a lot. I just want to focus on the shaded one. Yep. Draw the height. How do you draw the height? You better focus. Oh. You don't blindly. I tested you last time. How do you find the height? Not, oh, they give me 3. Oh, I take it as 3.
Ruler.
Yeah, I know you're finding ruler, but I say not that they give you height, then you just take it as 3. Which one is the height? You remember what's your height? Stop doing. You stop doing first. Stop. What's your height? You stop moving.
1.
You stop moving. How do you measure your height?
Straight line.
Straight line. Ask yourself. 3. Which just now you take which one is the height just now? You say the height is 3. Which one? Which 3? You circle. You circle the one you take as height just now. Okay. Is this the height?
No.
Yes or no?
No.
Why not?
It's not a straight line.
Okay. Why not straight?
It's slanted.
So can you measure your slanted height as your height?
No.
Then how come you assume this is the height? And by the way, the just now base times height is the formula for what? Area or what? Oh, okay, good. Then show me the height. Draw the height now. Yep, good. Show me the height. You better remember this. Huh? 为什么你去到 Gmail?
I need to take ruler.
Okay, yeah, good. Okay, good. 可以. So, can you tell me what's the height here? Is it given?
No.
Okay, good. So that means it's not given. You cannot. I purposely put like this. I test you. I trick you. There's no way to find because the height is not given. Okay, next question. I purposely trick you. And then you fall into my trap. Okay, 下一题. But the parameter of the figure can be found. The parameter of the figure. You just add like parameter. Zoom out. Yes. Parameter is correct. 下一题. Open. Okay, so over here, what is the area of the circle? So what is the area of pi r square? Okay, 很好. Next, what is the area of the unshaded quadrant? Where is the unshaded part?
Yeah.
Circle. I mean, highlight the unshaded part. So how much is this? How do you find this unshaded part? Total minus. Hello, you need me to explain or you explain?
Total minus the shaded.
Correct. 继续 next 下一题. Okay, 继续. I want to see what's the percentage. So hold on. What's the percentage of the circle is shaded? How do you find percentage? 很好. Very good. Next 下一题. Wait. Okay, before you go ahead, can I double check with you? 上去. Last question. Okay, over here, did you round 25.1? Did you round? Are you supposed to round?
No. Okay.
Then?
Yeah, let me just.
Okay, good. 下一题. By the way, who asked you to round? You don't blame your teacher. Okay? The question asks you to round, you round. The question never asks you to round, you don't round. You give fraction percentage. Okay, 下一题. Okay, 第一题对了，第二题. Okay, 对了. Hold on. Sorry. Okay, correct. Then 继续. Yes. Hold on 等一下. Okay, good. 下一题. Yep. 继续. Yep. Up. Up some more. Up some more. You are down. Okay. Continue. Next question. F. Okay already. G. Okay. G is also 100%. Okay, good. 很好. 继续. Okay, Lisa spent $30. Okay, let me quickly hold on. She spent 30% more. How do you do 30% more? You can highlight the word 30% more. Yeah, how do you do 30% more? %30 more means 30%. You ask yourself.
No.
Then?
It means more.
Huh?
It means you spend like 30% more in the afternoon.
More than what? Compared to what?
More than the morning.
Okay, good. Then how do you okay, so morning is $30. So afternoon is 30% more. So how do you get afternoon? Can you show me? Blank space. You remember? 你还记得吗? Can you remember or cannot?
Morning $30.
对.
100%.
Correct. Okay, continue. Let me quickly go to the washroom. Very fast one. You continue first. Okay, I'm back. So 30% more means afternoon is only 30%. Afternoon is 30% more, not 30%. So 30% more means what? How many percent? 30% more means 30%. Can you circle the 100% for the morning? Okay, so morning is 100%. So now afternoon is 30% more. So what do you think? 为什么?
Because more.
Oh, no, how you get this? How you get?
30.
Okay, good. Oh, that means you never read. I mean, basically, you see this question, you just blindly do it, right? You don't even want to, you don't bother to refer to your previous question, right? Okay, I will let your mom know. I say you don't bother.
I didn't think about that method.
Okay, 30% more is one of the questions you don't bother. Okay, this is number one, you don't bother. The other question just now, you also don't bother. Oh, final minus initial divide by initial. You also don't bother to read the. Oh,
I didn't think about the equation for this, right?
Okay, for this, okay, I excuse you for this. Then what about the final minus the initial divided by initial? What about the service charge, that one? So time and again, you show that you don't bother. It's not only the one question. It's not only one question. And then just now there is a question. I asked you to stop using the data from the table and you want to use the data from the table. So many questions you don't bother. Okay, you get it from us. Okay, you better wake up. I excuse you for one question, two questions. I will not excuse you for, I cannot forgive you so many questions. All the questions here, okay, we have done it before. We have done it before. Like the height of the question, the height, just now the figure. I use you as an example to show what is the value of the height. Slanted one cannot be the height. You use that. So you deserve. Okay, I will let your mom know. Okay. So you better pay 100% attention when you do all these questions. Oh. So yes, that's the answer. So $30 plus 39, total is, what's the total? How much did she spend?
69.
Yes, so good. Okay, 下一题. Oh, the ratio, sorry. Ratio is morning to total. What's the answer? They say morning to total. Is that all? OK， 下一题。还有吗？
No.
OK, good. All right. So, can I ask you, do you agree all the questions? Okay, by the way, I have, don't stop. I still want to discuss the questions because you have the question. Okay, can you show your screen, please? Okay, then of course turn on your camera. Turn on your camera first. Yeah. Are you listening to music or what? You don't do funny things in front of me. I used to be a student. Huh? I used
I'm
to.
not listening.
Oh, okay, good.
To anything. Okay, my headphones are plugged in.
Okay. So you don't want to do funny things in front of me. Okay. 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 This question, 30% more. We talked about it last time. So many questions on this, and you don't bother to read it up and solve it, and you got it wrong. Okay. 上一题 previous one. Okay, previous one. Yep. All this. Yep. You got it correct. Very good. You're supposed to get it correct. Okay, stop. Over here, you got it correct. Very good. Okay, very good. But just that you don't have to round the percentage. You can express it as a fraction percentage unless the question asks you to do so. Okay, up. Okay, so for this question, yeah, like I say, base times height. Okay, what is the height? Okay, go to the figure. Go to the figure. Yeah, the height is actually not given. So if the height is not given, then you cannot do. Okay, 继续。这题很好。继续上去。So remember the labeling, and then of course, how come the first one and the second one so skinny? Okay, never mind. Next time I will ask your mom to help me just look at it once before you send this. Okay, your mom will not accept your this skinny bars. Okay, your mom definitely will not accept your this skinny bars. Okay, 继续上一题。So for this question, you are wrong because the formula is wrong. Okay, the formula is so wrong. What's the formula once again? Close your eyes. Tell it to me.
Final minus initial over initial.
Times 100%. Okay, don't forget the percentage. Okay, 继续上去。this one, I think the 180 is not so right. You agree, right?
Yeah.
Okay, 继续上去。继续上去。Okay, so for the last one, you need to give the working. Cannot be so lazy. Okay, 继续。Okay, what's wrong with this question? This is the service charge or sometimes a discount. It can be a GST. Or you still do it your way. Yeah, this is the question I talk about. You don't bother to read up. You don't bother. Then I will let your mom know. Okay, 继续上去。 上题. Okay, zoom in a bit on this because a lot of mistakes here. Okay, good. So first thing first, this one, minus 5 times 5. Can you see minus 5 times 5?
Yeah.
So what is the answer for minus 5 times 5?
Negative 10.
Ah, negative 10?
Negative 25.
等一下，你哪里拿的 negative 10? How come you are so your negative 10, how come it's so hard to get rid of? How do you get negative 10, by the way? Can you tell me how do you get negative 10?
You must add.
Huh? Just now what you say? Minus 5 times 5, right?
Yeah.
Then you use your brain. Okay? You better use your calculator. You are allowed to use calculator. Okay? 继续上去. The percentage is wrong. Why? Let me see. This question, the percentage is wrong because you use the table. Okay? Once again, you don't bother. I ask you, stop using the table. Okay? Stop using the table. The table is for you to tally things. What did I say?
The table is used for you to tally stuff.
Then?
Do not use the table.
Then? You still use, right?
Use the number thing.
But you still use, right?
Yeah.
Why? 为什么? Okay, 继续上去. Yep, this number pattern question. Okay? Okay, 继续上去. This one, yes. This one is you need to show the workings. Not like just, equal to 12, equal to 14, equal to 16. I need full workings. I will start to ask your mom to help me check. One line answer I cannot accept. Full working. 继续上去. Okay, good. 继续上去. Okay, 很好，继续上去. Yeah, good. 继续上去. Okay. 1/4 times. Okay, good. 可以了. Any other question for me?
No.
Okay, good. So I will let your mom know your this yeah. No question, then we can end the call today. Okay, bye bye. Take care. Stay safe.